how big can an animal get on land? What do you think are the operating factors? One, of course, is gravity. The other is the material of which the bones are made. The bones, as I said, are made of this very hard material. It has a hardness 5, which is known as the mineral apatite. So, given this kind of structure, given all the constraints, it has been calculated, modeled, that the largest animal on land will weigh something like 80 tons. If you have a bigger animal than this, it will collapse by its own weight. So that is one of the factors. Just for comparison, rhino weighs 1 ton, elephant about 3, the Indian elephant is about 3, the African elephant is about 5. So one of the factors why these dinosaurs became so huge, they actually attained this maximum critical weight that was calculated for dinosaurs. Most of them were much smaller, something like 20 tons, 5 tons, 6 tons. You had small dinosaurs as well. But the largest are believed to approach very much the critical next. Now we come to something which I find very interesting. I got into this business because of this. That if you look at eyes in a skeleton, this is an animal known as trilobite. I have a specimen of this. If you want, I brought this specimen with me. But if you look at how and when focused vision evolved, to everyone's surprise, focused vision is more than 500 million years old. And this is the picture of an animal that was the first to see the wonders of this earth. These are the first eyes that saw the ocean waters, that perhaps saw the beach, and of course, if it saw its prey or predator, as the case may be. But there's a very interesting thing about the earliest visioning system. They were made from something that is really very poorly suited for lens as a lens material. So if you look at this animal here, this is known as a trilobite. This is a trilobite. These are its eyes. And if you look at the eyes, you'll find that they are compound eyes. Each of these has a single lens. And if you look at the end, how each lens is composed, it's composed of this material. This is a calcite crystal, which is known as Iceland spar. But it's such a terrible material for a lens. Why? Because light, if it passes in any direction, it's